I knew it should be a festive homecoming. A joyous reunion. I should run into my friend's embrace, inquire as to shared interests and mutual acquaintances' well-being. Yeah, all is strange. There are the familiar faces of people I know, but an odd feeling that's unfamiliar, even sinister.
What does that tell you?
That there's something about this visit to Portland that I don't understand. I steal my wits. I try to focus on the task at hand, for it's essential that it be completed to perfection. Still unshakable, the sense that I'm not being welcome back. Almost like I never even left, or just meeting these people for the very first time. I'm supposed to introduce myself, but all I'm doing is spouting this incomprehensible nonsense which no one understands.
Is that how you introduce yourself these days?
No, as I usually say.
Name?
Jihad.
In transit from what origin?
Oddlandia.
Traveling to Portland, Oregon, known reality. Secondary inspection. Waiting areas over there.
Do you carry any documents or artifacts detailing travels in alternate realities?
I carry this volume, Nature of Reality. It contains words, images, checked out from the Oddlandia library.
Carry this at your own peril and futility. Go all the way to the end. Go all the way down. Go out and around. Your tracks are way out there.
Now boarding Portland, Oregon, known reality.
luck on your journey, and I don't agree that we share this title. It's just room for one.
Nooga Deagles are punished. Evil Silver War. Even otherwise belong to Psych Ward. Operating respect is Jet Horde. Mommy should choke you out with a little cord. Burn stiff, get burned, some facts, ash, and dirt. Oh, now you feel to get hurt? Good deeds are open heaven's gates. Scarlet of her fate, don't you wait. Your judgment is poor. Nothing to do but show you the door. Cause you never see the light. Could you wait through wood if he's a turn?
Good luck on your journey.
This is Jihad. You received a message that I was coming. I'm here.
If it's beats you want, I have none to give. No more of these long nights turning to weeks trying for the perfect mix. I want peace.
Nothing like that. May I come in?
I've heard you've lost control. More craziness than inspiration. Blurred the lines of performance. You bring madness to my door. Don't want me to have the peace you'll never achieve.
A simple, easy job. Small time commitment. Small responsibility. A payment that reflects that.
Our history gets you in my door. Violating the words you say in the present will put you out of it.
Fair enough.
You do not make a strong case for yourself. This craziness. Where'd you get these beats?
Made him.
You're certain of this?
Yes.
You just tell me and I would not be angry, but your name.
And this fifth Jihad album, your defining work, exists in some form? Got it all up here, perhaps?
Only looking for a little help, recording the vocals. A little oversight.
Nothing simple with you. This will turn crazy.
You've done much. It's probably wrong of me to ask. Before I go, just give this a listen. See if you'd be okay just signing off on it.
You took it from...
Yes.
One song. This one.
This the booth over here?
Just do it.
Weaponized insecurity, try that trick on me. Counterproductive, can't you see? Won't get the effect you're looking for. From the door, if you think that you're a sheriff, better call up all your deputies. And nothing about your code of conduct that I'm looking to appease. Not falling to my knees, never chase me out of town when rounding up the posse. Do a favor for almost any man unless he asking bossy. Not providing adulation in which you can pass. Taken to task, then hide behind a tough guy mask or get your courage from a flask. Wonder what my deal is. Only reason that I'm seeing to misunderstand my being is simply you're not brave enough to ask, and your brain is working slow. Must have just hatched from an egg, cause you a dodo. My fashion not de-escalating for some male unsure, but you gonna need no explanation. She laughing about emasculating failures, say you need some sexual education.
Perfect mistake.
Weaponized insecurity got you feeling dangerous, you killer bee. In the end, it's you will be the one who gets stung. But how many go down with you who are innocent and young before you finally see the truth and take the chance to repent? When you're gone, nobody even asking where you went. Only those two places that you're kinda getting sent. No blaming outcomes inescapable, like dreaming of a blunt that's vapable. Not finger pointing at a demographic or your age. Being such a tough guy, not the reason for that cage. You weren't slinging, paying back some snitch you had to stab. You were thinking big and smoking dabs, talked your way onto a slab. You retrieve her like a Labrador, all badass facade is for picking up the things you heard. Mouthful feathers from a bird, drop it at your master's feet and hope you're fed under the seat. Better lay low if you wanna pick up the last scrap. Getting chained up round the back instead of lying on his lap. Not going hard, running a pack are posted up all in the trap. The only ones who talk like that, it's how you know they're full of crap. Try to sell that tough guy act, but the only people buying can't afford it. They sought, same as you can't muster one original thought. Even after all that rah-rah-rah, weak perspective really wasn't bought. Have assessed, unimpressed, that's the point for how I'm dressed. You're the smartest person, then you need to find a better room. Me, I'm in a cheap hotel with Octagon and Dr. Doom. Eating bowl of cereal laced with God knows what. Wishing that you kind of a bone of mouths that only shut and never open. Like the best among us, open up our minds if you're content to never know what makes a real man. I guess it's not my problem, fine, but don't pretend between the two of us you're the one got us fine, just a scared little boy. And I say it without joy, not because I'm looking to be superior, getting graded by comparison to you. It's the matter of collateral damage that your disposition tend to pursue. Not pretty to behold, but you getting what you earn. No use offering more rationalized pity. Just be told the true concern is finding out when we learn to suffer in your weaponized insecurity.